Hello everyone. So today we are going to be showing you how I package an order. I'm going to start off by sanitizing my hands just to make sure they're all nice and clean. After cleaning my hands, I'm going to go ahead and start putting together the box that is going to hold everything that is for the My First Period box package. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this together. This is a gold one because currently I am using gold packaging. Now we're just going to go ahead and add some tape to the inside of the box to make sure that it doesn't fall apart or anything like that. The next step is to add some tissue paper, and I'm just going to add 2 sheets of tissue paper to the bottom. This is just going to hold everything in and make it look nicer. Now here we are, we're just going to go ahead and start stuffing the box with the appropriate items. So first we're going to start with the pads because that is what the customer ordered for this specific box. We're going to add some cleansing cloths, as well as then we're going to go ahead and add in the purse. This is a crossbody purse and it's black, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that into the bottom here and help it fit around there. There we are. After this, we're going to add the pain meds, which is a travel size of Advil in a pink little cute baggie. I'm just going to add the personalized keychain now. We do have a variety of colors and it can be personalized however you like it. I'm just going to go ahead and add the key hook onto it. So I'll finish that off here. And then afterwards we're going to put it in a pink baggie as well. Now that we're finished stuffing the box, we are going to go ahead and add a sheet of tissue paper that's folded up over on top just to cover all of these items up and make it look nice and neat. On top of this tissue paper, we're going to add our handwritten cards. And on this, we're going to add 2 gold stars just to attach it to the tissue paper to make sure it doesn't just fall anywhere while it's being shipped. And then we're going to go ahead and close this box up. To seal it up where it's open there, I'm going to add a personalized sticker which just says HunnyB Creations, and that's just going to keep it together so that the box doesn't open or anything like that. Now on top of the gold box, I'm going to go ahead and sit the period tracker book on top, and then I'm going to wrap a ribbon around it to make it nice and pretty and to hold the book on top so that it won't slide around. And there we are, we're done now. It's all nice and wrapped. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the box with a mechanical pencil, and it's all ready to go.